Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video, as you can probably tell, is going to be a clean with me because my apartment and my life is a little bit of a mess right now and we need to fix that. So that's what today's video is going to be. If you've never seen one of my clean with me videos, I will have a few linked down below. If you guys want to go check them out, get some cleaning inspo for yourself. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is just one of the many videos I've posted this past month. So if you want to check them all out, if you're like done from school and like you have a week or two off and you're just like chilling in your bed watching YouTube, binging a whole bunch of stuff, it's a great binge. I'll have a link down below, the whole playlist. And yeah, let's get cleaning. Before we get into all of this, I wanted to insert a couple clips from a couple weeks ago. We actually redecorated our bedroom for the winter, changed things up, and also we show you guys how to put a duvet cover on a duvet. Super easy. Cody taught me this trick and it's amazing, and I feel like the world needs to know it if you guys also struggle with putting a duvet cover on a duvet. And I wanted to include that in this portion because it is kind of cleaning. We just like decorate and it's really cute, so I'm gonna insert that now. Before we get into the duvet cover life hack, I wanted to share with you guys the before of our bedroom. As you can tell, it's quite small and the bed is obviously the focus of any bedroom, and so we wanted to change things up a little bit and make it more appropriate for winter and also just a little bit warmer because at night our bed is kind of cold. So the first thing I did was buy new sheets. I got new flannel sheets, which if you guys have never had flannel sheets, I highly recommend getting them because they are so comfy. They're basically like a sweater on a sheet. It's perfect for the winter and they're so lovely and they're like a big warm hug at night. And for the flannel sheets, we decided to go with a nice gray color that kind of matched the room, still on the cooler side of things, but is very neutral and can go with a lot of different duvet covers, so we can use them for many years to come. Now moving into the duvet cover life hack, you're gonna first take your duvet cover and roll it out flat onto the bed, and you wanna make sure it is inside out, and then go ahead and tie down all four sides or however your duvet cover actually works. Our new one, this white one, is from Urban Outfitters. It's one of their jersey cotton duvet covers. It's really pretty and very, very soft. I'll have it linked down below. I highly recommend it, and it comes in a bunch of colors. And what you want to do is once all four sides are tied, you're going to roll it towards the end of the buttons or the clasps and keeping it super tight as you possibly can and keeping the duvet on the inside of the cover. And then as you can see, Cody is inverting both of the sides. This is kind of something he has to do. He's a lot better at it. And once it pretty well looks like a log, you should be able to slowly roll it out flat, and you shouldn't have to make too many adjustments. Maybe just tie up the ends where the buttons are and then give it a little bit of a fluff and it should lie flat and be perfect. I definitely don't know if that's a common knowledge thing when it comes to duvet covers. Before I met Cody, I had no idea about this trick, so I found it very helpful and I wanted to share it with you guys in case you didn't know. And then moving on to decorating the rest of the room, we added some decor pillows, obviously, and what is winter without some Christmas lights, so we added some white ones in. And then I ordered this wreath from Target, but I really didn't like the vibe. It was just not working, and so I switched it out with this wooden star that I had. And then Cody found a new home for the wreath and I didn't like it, so I removed it. And then we added a blanket and we added a candle and just some other decor pieces to make it really like white and wintry. And then I switched out the little area rug to make it a little bit more cozy, and this is the final room. Because this video is full of fun cleaning surprises, I wanted to include this clip because I cleaned my studio, or my vanity area, if you will, a couple nights ago because it was actually getting atrocious and I couldn't handle my life and I just got really stressed out when I started to do my makeup, so I had to clean it, so I'll insert those clips now. So this lovely mess of makeup kind of accumulated over the course of a couple weeks because I had dance shows and I just didn't put it away, and like I go through different skin tones because I like self-tan and then I get paler and then I self-tan again and all this stuff, so it was just kind of like a mess of things, and I always try and just like remove things that I'm not using often. So anything that's not part of my everyday makeup or my colorful, you know, those kind of things. My colorful makeup, that gets put away into my other makeup storage. And then I kind of group together all of the other sections. So I'll put my foundations together, my brushes together, put them back, and just kind of do my best to clear everything on my vanity and organize it that way. If there is a product that I don't like, then I'll put it in like the donation pile or something like that, or for friends and family, or if something just didn't work for me or skin tone wise just didn't work, then that's where that goes. Since I do end up trying a lot of makeup, it does get overwhelming at times, and I'm definitely going to be doing a declutter series in the new year, so let me know if you guys would be interested in that, because I have a lot of makeup to declutter, and it's like embarrassing at this point, but I really need to do it, and I definitely want to film it for you guys, so definitely let me know if you're interested in that. Once my makeup area is pretty well clear, this is as good as it's gonna get. It's still cluttered, but it's as good as it's gonna get for today. I go ahead and give it a wipe, clean it up, get off any foundation marks or makeup marks from when I was playing around and making a mess typically, and just give it a good old clean. And then obviously I do like to clean my mirror because that gets dirty as well. I love this one, it's amazing. I got it gifted to me from Benefit when we were in Miami, and I use it every single day. It's amazing and I love it. And that's pretty well the last step in cleaning my vanity for the time being, so that's that. And that brings us to today, where we're gonna clean everything else in my apartment. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen, because I feel like the kitchen, once the kitchen is clean, I feel like I can breathe a little bit better, and like everything else comes with ease, but I have to start here because it's really gross. So we're gonna I'm gonna put on my headphones and listen to like a podcast or some music or whatever I want to do, or YouTube videos, because I've also been watching Vlogmas videos, and listen to this and just clean it up and do a time lapse for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you like to listen to when you clean, if that's music or like a podcast or anything. I'm very curious, so let me know what that is down below, and let's get to it. The absolute first thing I always do when it comes to cleaning my kitchen is either empty the dishwasher or fill it, because when I have other dirty dishes kind of surrounding my sink or in my sink, it just feels a lot messier. So that is why I do that first. It really cleans up a lot of space, but also frees up the sink to wash other dishes that can't go into the dishwasher, because I have a lot of those that just like you're not allowed to put in the dishwasher, so I have to clean them by hand. And then I also like to clean off the counters, make sure they're good and free of any stuck on food and anything, because that just drives me absolutely nuts, and I want everything to be clean and shiny. So I give all the counters a wipe, remove any clutter basically. It is hard because we don't have that much counter space, yet we have a lot of appliances. So I also have the pantry, which if you guys saw my pantry declutter video, that was a major project. I'll have that video linked down below. If you want some like major kitchen organization vibes, then go check that out, because it was a good video and I really liked it. But I basically just try and tuck things away and then also give it a vacuum. I typically do my vacuuming at the end of all my cleaning, but today I wanted to do it as I go so I can show you guys each section as I go, because this place needed a vacuum very badly. And especially that's like the first thing I do when I know that I have people coming over. If I don't have time to really deep clean anything, I'll give my place a quick vacuum, and it makes all the difference. As I've mentioned before, I also use a little hand vacuum during the week to really clean the cat area, because the litter that they have is quite chunky, and so it kind of gets everywhere, but it's definitely not as messy as typical litter. So that's really great. I really like that aspect of it, but it does need cleaning and a little bit more attention daily. As for clutter and everything during the holidays, I feel like my stuff is pretty well organized. Like there's not too much. Obviously we have extra decor and pillows and like decorations and stuff, but it's not too overwhelming. So I basically just needed to vacuum, and I definitely want to hit up the couch, make sure that's vacuumed since the cats sit on that a lot, and make sure the carpet is all fluffed up and everything. So that is pretty much like I said, it makes the biggest difference and is the most therapeutic for me personally to vacuum. I just love the way the carpet looks when it's all fluffed up and nice. And then I also wanted to give the media unit console a little bit of a dusting, just because it's lighter now. I can't tell if there's dirt on it. There obviously is, because I haven't done this in a while, and just kind of reorganize the holiday decor on that, because it is a centerpiece and a lot of people look at it when they come over to visit. So I think this is where I'm going to end off today's video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up if you did like it. And also, if you're still here, please let me know in a comment down below what organization, cleaning related videos you guys want to see in January, because I know that that's like such a great time to like get your life together. So let me know what kind of videos you want to see, if there's any specific parts of the apartment you want to see me clean in a clean with me, or literally if you have any ideas at all, please let me know in a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.